Unsolved Miss Titties. Could you imagine going to work on your truck and it's the last time anyone sees you? That's what happened to almost 40-year-old fat last name Rel, aka T Titties. Fat Rel, born in Philadelphia, always was a fat little thing. The eldest of three, Mom says his first words was, "I'll eat it." Last seen on an open road in his tractor trailer with this unidentified female.
Yeah, real truck driver, man. We out here. You yard dogs don't know nothing about this. Out here beating these roads up, man. We in Texas right now. Look at the cows up there in the back. You know what I mean? Big cattle. That's it. I ain't got nothing else for you. Fuck out of here, Sid. Yo, fat man. Show yourself.
No.
Yeah, I knew you wasn't going to, but I needed your voice on there.
Whoever that lady was in that video, I'm pretty sure she's smoking on a Fat Rel pack. We tried to get some quotes from his family members. We have a cousin here that says, "That's what his fat ass gets." We have the brother that says, "Fuck that nigga, he still owes me money." And his mother says, "Fuck him." Here's one of the last recording videos we have of Fat Rel before his disappearance. Roll it.
Did he?
If anyone has any information on Fat Rel, please call this number at the bottom of your screen. Thanks for watching. I'm Sid with Unsolved Miss Titties. Till next time.